Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a flower with clay. First, gather your essential tools: a block of air-dry clay, a small rolling pin, and a craft knife or plastic cutting tool. Ensure your workspace is clean and flat to prevent any debris from sticking to your clay. Air-dry clay is perfect for beginners as it doesn't require a kiln, making the process simple and accessible for everyone. Now, let's shape the petals. Take a small portion of clay and roll it out evenly to about 1/8 of an inch thick. Using your knife, carefully cut out 5 to 7 individual petal shapes. Each petal should be approximately 1.5 inches in length. Gently thin the edges of each petal with your fingers to give them a more natural, delicate appearance, just like a real flower. It's time to assemble your beautiful flower. Begin by rolling a small ball of clay, about 1/4 of an inch in diameter, to serve as the flower's central core. Carefully attach your first petal around the center, ensuring it slightly overlaps. Continue this process, adding the remaining petals one by one, layering them to build a full and vibrant bloom. Press gently to secure each piece. To finish, gently smooth any rough edges or imperfections on your clay flower, refining its overall shape. Once you are satisfied, set your flower aside in a well-ventilated area to air dry completely. This process typically takes about 24 hours, depending on the clay thickness and humidity. After it's dry, you can paint or seal it. Also, for amazing deals and to read anywhere, check out the link in the description for the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.